Number one, your title. If your title is not clickable, if your title is not catchy for people to click and watch, my dear, your video will remain stagnant. You're not getting any views. Do you think it's the title you're using that is getting you views? No, it's your title that's getting you clicks on your views. Like all these high views you're seeing on people's videos, like 1 million, 10,000, 20,000, and the rest. It's not the hashtag they are using, no. Yes, they use hashtags. I use hashtags too. But let me tell you, if you use trending hashtag, for instance, hashtag trending, you think algorithm will go and notify trending hashtags that you've uploaded a video and use trending hashtag so that people will come and watch because you already used trending hashtag or you use hashtag short. Then the algorithm will come and notify short that you posted a video using hashtag short. No, it doesn't work like that. You are not lucky. Is your title that got you clicks. Yes. So if you like, use the okay. For example, I've uploaded a short video. I didn't use what's it called hashtag on that particular what's it called short, but I got views. I got views. I was like, wow. So that means it's not hashtags have been getting me views all this while. It's not hashtags, my dear. It's your title. Yes, and that's on period. So use catchy titles that will make people to click on your video. If not, it's going to remain there. People always ask me, why is it that I don't get views on my shorts? Even if you like, still use trending sounds. I've used trending sounds. I've used hashtags when I started my YouTube. Oh, when I started this channel, I'm telling you, it did not get any clicks until I started becoming what's it called creative with my titles, and I started getting the clicks. If you doubt me, why don't you do the practical yourself? Number two, duration. You need to make longer shots. You need people to watch your video. Yes. For instance, you make 30 seconds short, right? And you're getting 15 seconds or 20 seconds average view duration. That is something. It means that that short is making sense. And with that, it will send a good signal to the algorithm that yes, this short is making sense. People are engaging. It will push the short to other viewers. You need audience retention. You need people to watch that same short and come back and watch it again. You don't want to just make a one shot thing and then nobody will come back and watch. No, that means that shot does not make sense. So you need to make it worth it. You need people to click on it. You need the average view duration. Even if they don't watch until the end, at least, like I said, if you make 20 seconds and above and people give you like 15 seconds, 12 seconds, for 20 seconds short, it's something. Then imagine you make 30 seconds and you're getting like 20 seconds duration, average view duration, or 25 seconds average view duration. That makes sense, right? So make your shorts longer. YouTube called this short, don't make it shorter. Do you understand? Make it make sense. Number three, how many chose to watch? You see, go to your YouTube studio, you see it yourself. You see people that viewed and the people that swiped away. So the number of people that swiped away can make your short not to move forward. It can make it stagnant. But the number of people that view to watch can make your video move more, as in can make the algorithm to push the video more further because it's interesting to watch, right? So please be mindful of this. Always check this how many views to watch. I always check it to how many percent that viewed and how many percent that swiped away. Check these things. It will make you to create more interesting shots. But when you don't see this, when you don't check your analytics, you're just making videos, you're complaining that your shots are not going well, people are not clicking to watch, you wouldn't know all these things. So if you check your YouTube studio analytics, it will help you to improve. The last but not the least, watch out for other shots of yours that has gone viral or that are going viral or still that are getting good views and create similar shots. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your comment below and share. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next one.